Hey, what up, bitch? Nah, I'm just playing. I'm sorry, bro. Hey, you bitches remember that time in 2012 ass shit when everyone's talking about I'm whipping the fork, I'm cooking the, flipping them, skirt, and all that dumb shit? Yeah, bro. That was good. That was good, bro. Definitely influenced my life for the worse. Anyways, bro, like I'm saying, bro, just get this shit. Next is all of them, everything except the sound fonts. I'm just kidding. Hey, you know, the last time I was like, these are the notes you should prioritize, you know what I'm saying, to create like a certain bullshit and shit, you know what I'm saying? But it's like, for this one, I'd say these are the notes you should probably use. If not, I don't fucking care, but I mean, it'd probably make, you know, your life easier if you want to recreate some shit from that era. Hey, you know what that sounds like to me? It sounds like I'm whipping them chickens. Whipping them, flipping them chickens. Oh man, got that bullfrog yet, you know what I'm saying? That shit jumping out the pot. Alright, so I fuck with a piano, but you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get some brass and shit. Hey, but real shit though, this is what we used to do back in the day, these brass rolls. Check this shit out, you know what I'm saying? They always be coming out with new techniques and all this shit. Let me show you one of the old techniques that people used to do, man. It's these brass rolls, right? And you know what I'm saying? I'm passing it down, bro. Maybe they can be revived, bro. All this old shit's being revived. Some people, at least one person's gonna watch this. They're gonna be like, oh man, I just figured out the secret sauce. What a fucking idiot. But you know what? You're right. This shit's coming back. It's all coming back. Hey, and speaking of like the old techniques, bro, back in the day, before the paintbrush tool was invented, we used to pitch the hi-hats with this velocity ass shit. You know, hey, it gives it a completely different sound. As far as the mixing goes, like I'm saying, bro. Hey, yeah, the drum is louder than the shit, but I just recently discovered the separation knob. It's like sometimes it just decides to disappear from me. Maybe I'm tripping, bro. Maybe I'm big tripping, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes it just doesn't, it's not there. But when it is there, I'm like, dude, you know, put it on select sounds and it's gonna make it like multi-layered and shit.